That's how we say goodbye in Hawaii. This is how I say goodbye when I leave Hawaii, because I end up missing it so much that I just want to go right back, and I obviously can't always go back. So this song actually takes me back and reminds me of my family members, and I'll share it with you guys. A song called Ku'uhomia Kahalu. Beautiful song. The mountain streets, round the cold out hills, we ride our horsemen. So long ago it seems it was a dream. As many times I was returning, I remember days when we were wiser, when the world was small enough for dreams, that you had got there by your sister. And I hear no I find you with the sharing of his brand new song. Last night I dreamt I was returning, and my heart called out to so please accept me as you find me. Que aloha kuhome ukaru, que aloha kuhome ukaru, que aloha kuhome ukaru. Mahalo you guys for coming out tonight. Really appreciate it. It was great to have everybody here and get to experience all this aloha, bro. Mahalo. Love you guys, bro. Thank you for supporting Hawaiian music here on the mainland and abroad, wherever you may go.